Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see what it takes to train a foundation model. So if you're new to this and if you want to understand foundation models, you can go through my YouTube video, Generative AI for Beginners. So in this I have explained what is the foundation models. Okay, so let's get back to the our topic. So we'll discuss what are the reasons why training a foundation model can be very important step for your business. So it is a decision that you have to take it wisely. So there are three reasons. So it gives you control over your model, and it gives you improved performance, and you will have the ability to customize according to your needs. So let's see uh, the first reason: control over the model. So uh, when you train your foundation model, it gives you more control over your model, so you can apply a tailored approach. So when you train your model, you control the data and the parameters, which allows you to tailor your model to specific styles or domains that you need. So this customization which ensure a model aligns to your business specific needs perfectly. Okay, so next reason is it gives you improved performance. So foundation models that are trained on vast or diverse datasets can outperform pre-trained models. So especially if your dataset is domain specific. For example, you are focusing on just one domain, not generalizing it. Okay, so this is one of the reason uh, why training a foundation model can be important to your business needs. So next is customization. Okay, so customization means building your own models. So it means like you can alter aspects of the model, like tokenizer, vocabulary size, model architecture, so which might be very necessary if these components are central to your business strategy. Okay, so these are the three reasons why training a business model can be very important step for your business specific needs. Okay, so now let's see what are the challenges of training a foundation model from scratch. So there are top three challenges. One is you need a data collection, you need a compute resource, and you need an expertise. So regarding the data collection, so you need a for vast amount of high quality data to learn effectively. So you need to ensure that data set is large, diverse, and representative of different languages, cultures, and domains. So this is very challenging. So the Pile, this is a website, data site called Pile. So this is a data set that has data from different domains. It's diverse. It's an open source language modeling data set. So it can be utilized for initial training. So this is one example. Uh, Next, let's see compute resource. So coming to compute resource, you would need a large amount of computational resources, like significant computational power is needed to train the models. So here you can see this is a AI supercomputer Vela from IBM. So how much nodes it has? It has 80 GB and a 100 GPU. So it's a vast supercomputer. Um, so it requires a lot of computational powers to train that amount of uh, you know, data for the foundational model from scratch. So this is one more challenge. So next is expertise. So a specialized knowledge is required in AI/ML. So it requires that the person who is training the model, he should know the model architecture, like how designing an optimal architecture, how to scale, how to handle massive data set, and how to handle complex tasks, uh, which requires significant research and experimentation. So like highly expertise is required. It's not just average, high expertise is required. So and uh, ex- they should also know the optimization techniques, how to optimize that model, like tuning effective optimization algorithms to train large models without issues like exploding gradients, mode collapse, or overfitting. So they should also know with the parallelism and scalability. For example, it should be able to efficiently distribute the training workload across multiple processors, handling issues related to communication overhead, synchronization, and challenging engineering problems. So specialized uh, knowledge of AI ML is required. So this is also one of the challenge in training a foundation model from scratch. So there are other challenges as well. So these are the top three challenges. So now, what are the training steps that are used in uh, training a foundation model from scratch? So first, data is collected. So you need to gather large diverse data set relevant to your task, then prepare and preparation tokenization. Then need to clean and format the data, breaking down the text into tokens. Then configure the data for training, like you need to set hyperparameters, choose the architecture, and allocate computational resources. Then the actual training happens. Training yeah, your model using deep learning algorithms. Then the evaluation happens. You need to test the model's performance on separate data set. Then finally deployment. So once you're satisfied with the evaluation, you can deploy the model for practical use. Okay, so next we can see what are the cost considerations. So how much does it cost to train the foundation model? So it may cost tens of thousands to millions of dollars. So it's depending on the model size, data volume, and computational resource. Okay, next, uh, the recommendation for businesses. So what is recommended for businesses? It's recommended for businesses to customize the existing pre-trained models. uh, so there are certain reasons, like for example, mm, training foundation models can cost a lot, as we have seen just now. So starting with a pre-trained model and customizing it with techniques like parameter efficient fine tuning can save time and resources. Also, we need to consider the needs and resources as well. So evaluate your specific needs and available resources. So we need to evaluate what are our needs and what are the resources available, so which can help us decide between purchasing and training and customizing the model. So these are the two recommendations that are preferable for businesses instead of going for training the foundation model from scratch. So in conclusion, we can say that customizing foundation model is a great way to get the most out of these powerful tools, because it's less expensive, it's faster, and you can give you better performance than training a model from scratch. Okay, but when it comes to training a model from scratch, We found it's resource intensive. It offers, yeah, of course, it offers unparalleled control and performance, but it's essential for businesses that are aiming to develop strong edge in AI. So, uh, this training a foundation model is required for businesses who want their edge in AI. For example, OpenAI, they develop their own models. Meta, they have developed their own models called Llama 3, Llama 2, and Llama 3. So the companies who want to get edge in the AI, they are developing their own models. The businesses who want to get most out of these models, they it's recommended for them to customize already trained models according to their business needs. Okay, so that was in brief about how what it takes to train your foundation models. So that's it for today. Until then, we'll meet next time. Bye bye.